Whether we're faced with mud-filled potholes or dusty gravel roads, we all struggle to keep our vehicles clean. It's impossible, right? So do what I did. Pick up a set of Kia splash guards. Easily installed by your Kia dealer, these custom-fitted molded accessories accentuate and improve the styling of your vehicle. More importantly, they help protect your car's finish from dirt, mud, and other road debris, preventing chips and blemishes to keep it looking like new. For more information about splash guards and other genuine Kia accessories, ask a dealership associate today.